Hi. Welcome to Amaze Zane online quiz. Let's review on regrouping ones into tens and tens into hundreds.
What is the place value of 3 in the number 325? A. Ones. B. Tens. C. Hundreds. And the answer is C. Hundreds. How many tens are there in 75? A. 8. B. 7. C. 9. And the answer is B. 7. What is the place value of 6 in the number 126? A. Tens. B. Ones. C. Hundreds. And the answer is B. Ones. How many hundreds are there in 325? A. 3. B. 2. C. 5. And the answer is A. 3. What is the place value of 5 in 156? A. Tens. B. Ones. C. Hundreds. And the answer is A. Tens. How many tens are there in 445? A. 3. B. 4. C. 5. And the answer is B. 4. What is the place value of 5 in 235? A. Tens. B. Ones. C. Hundreds. And the answer is B. Ones. How many ones are there in 501? A. 5. B. 2. C. 1. And the answer is C. 1.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to Amaze Zane online quiz for more.